Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola G75, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So before I get started, I'm gonna quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to also get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. I don't think I have one set, let's see, yep I don't, but the process is exactly the same, so all you would need to do is hold power button and volume up. This will bring up your boot options, and here select power off. The device will turn off, and once it does so, hold power button and volume down at the same time, and after a moment this will redirect us to the boot mode. Once you have this mode open, you can let go of the two buttons, and then using volume buttons, find recovery mode, so it's visible right here, and then confirm it using your power button. Next, we will see, I believe, Android with no command, so if we do, we're gonna hold power button and press volume up once, and this will redirect us to the recovery mode, which here you want to again use volume buttons to navigate in order to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it again using your power button, then select factory data reset. It will begin formatting data, and then it will give you a message that data wipe is complete. There we go. And reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once again to initiate reboot. And this will continue resetting the device in the background, and once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.